Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Immediately add 1 chopped onion and 3 crushed garlic cloves to soften. Sauté until translucent. This builds sweetness that balances tomato acidity. Add quartered tomatoes and 1 tsp salt. Stir to coat so they release juices quickly. Once they begin to collapse, pour 1 cup water, cover, and simmer for 10-12 minutes. This step converts raw tomato flavor into a rich base, so make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and uneven cooking. Once done simmering, cool slightly and blend the tomato-onion mix until smooth. Use a strainer if you want an ultra-silky soup. This removes seeds and skin. Return the pureed soup to the pan on medium heat, then add 1/2 tsp sugar and 1/4 tsp freshly ground pepper to round flavors. Simmer for another 5-7 minutes to meld taste and thicken slightly. Make sure to taste and adjust salt. If too thick, add small amounts of water and whisk to reach the desired consistency. You finish by lowering heat and stirring in 2 tablespoon cream or 1 tablespoon butter to enrich the soup. This smooths acidity and adds body. Heat gently. Do not boil after adding dairy to prevent splitting. Once warm, ladle into bowls and garnish with chopped coriander or 1 tsp dried basil for aroma. Croutons add crunch if you like. If the soup tastes too acidic, add 1/2 tsp sugar gradually and retaste. That single troubleshooting step often balances tomatoes without masking fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.